Hey everybody, this is Mr. Storm, and in this video I am going to show you how to use the Canvas course for network fundamentals. So here is our course. You will see a lot fewer links on this side than I do. I'm in my teacher view here. Actually, let's go to student view. That'll be a much more interesting way to look at this course. Let's do that. Okay, so you're going to see some links over here on the side. You're going to see some to-do things over here. These are items that you have to complete. The best way to go through the course, however, is to scroll down here. We have a couple options. One, we have the new to class video, the one that you are watching right now. And then we have the classroom live stream. If you click that link, it'll take you to a Google Meet where you can ask me questions about anything that you want, right? If you're stuck in a part in the course, you can just click that link. It'll take you right to the meeting. I'll be in that meeting all day. Down here, however, is where you really want to pay attention. These are the individual blocks of instruction that I've set up for this class. Now, I only have the first 2 terms in here right now because the way the semesters work, it's a lot easier just to focus on one semester at a time. So the first semester is in here, so term 1 and term 2. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to click on these links depending on which, date range you're in. Now, if you're watching this video, a year after I've published it, the date ranges are going to be different in your course. But you can see week 1, week 2, week 3. I'm going to go to week 7 and 8 so we can just get a taste of what it looks like just midway through the semester. Oh, has that not been published? Let's do it real quick. I mean, it's fine. You guys can watch me publish content. So this is what module view looks like. Now, again, you won't have the ability to publish and unpublish content because that's a teacher thing. But there we go. All right, those are all published. We'll go home, go back to student view, and we'll go to week 7 and 8. So this is what the published content looks like. Every week or block of weeks is going to have a video that describes to you what you should be doing that week. You will have your what, why, and how for that week. This will explain to you what you're learning, why it's important, and how you're going to prove that you've learned it. And then down here you have your order of operations. Now, the first thing in your order of operations says watch all the videos and read all the articles in Chapter 5. Then you have your labs and your practice questions. So here's how this works. You're going to come into Canvas, check to see which chapter you're working on for that block of weeks or for that week itself. Then you're going to go over to Test Out, and I will send you your credentials for Test Out. So look in your email in the next week or two, and you'll get your credentials. And then once you sign into the actual course, for this class it's going to be Network Pro. Once you get there, this is your content. The best way to navigate this course is to use this button over here. This is the course menu. So in the example over here, we're looking at Chapter 5. So for weeks 7 and 8, we're going to be in Chapter 5, learning about IP configuration. Now in here, we have videos, we have articles, we have labs that we need to complete, and practice questions in each sub-chapter. So for week 7 and 8, we have 2 weeks to finish 5.1, 5.2, 5.3, 5.4, 5.5, 5.6, 5.7, 5.8, 5.9, 5.10. So each week we can take about 5 chapters and work on the labs, do the practice questions, watch the videos so we know what we're supposed to be doing, read the articles so we can learn more about that information. So we want to complete everything in these sub chapters. Now, when we're done, when we've completed the labs and the practice questions, we come back over here. We go to the assignment itself for that week. So this is going to list all of the labs I need to complete. Once I'm done, I click Start Assignment. I type, I have finished all the labs, or I just click Done or whatever. I'm going to type something in there and then click Submit. And that is how you're going to turn in your assignments for this class. Once I get that submission, I can go into Test Out, I can pull all your scores and transfer them into Canvas. Okay? If you forget to submit your work, it will be a missing assignment. So make sure you actually submit that work. Okay. Let's see. I think that's about it. I don't think there's anything too complicated here. Especially since if you're taking this class, you have to have taken A+. So this is really going to be a lot of the same as what you've done in A+. So, let me know if you have any questions or if you have any concerns or you need to learn, you forgot how to do something or whatever. And I will be more than happy to help you out. Okay, this is easy. Have a fun year. Peace.